So we go now to the most awaited speech of our brand new mayor. We have the honor to present to you Honorable Mayor Oscar Gamantiles. This will be his first speech as the mayor. So we are happy today.
The Municipal Board of Canvassers, ably led by Madam Marilyn Bisukayan and the members. We thank the good Lord for having blessed Itogon. I wish also to thank you, people of Itogon, especially my family and the supporters who had understood the call of the times for change. I saw in your faces for the 45 days that we have been going around the different cities of the different 9 barangays, the desire to enable this local government of Itogon work really for the development and welfare of all the Itogonians. For those who doubt that a poor fellow could make it to serve as servant mayor, this is the answer. We realize now it is not a matter of question of possession of wealth. We now realize that it is a matter of commitment in dedication to serve God by serving the people whom God had entrusted to us as public servants. The call now for us is to work for this change by walking the extra mile, so that in so doing, as I always keep on saying, we may be able to attain our salvation. The secret which I learned for effective and committed public service is simply to look the image, to see the image of Christ to the people whom we are asked to serve. I believe that is the secret. For the forthcoming days of our 100 days, I'd like to establish a good family and team relation with all the members of this unit, especially the very able legislators. I would say we are blessed for having well-rounded and very good legislators through the able leadership and legislative direction of no other than our very own Vice Mayor Noel Molo. Palakpakan tayo mandinig tayo. We would like also to open the door of participation in consultation. Because as we keep on saying during the campaigns, this government is not owned by us whom we have voted to serve here. You our people basically own the government where you have sent us. So therefore it is your right to be informed. It is your right to be consulted and participate in local governments, so that hand in hand we may be able to serve God by serving this beautiful town of Itogon. To God be the glory.
Again, congratulations to the winners. Palakpakan po natin sila. Okay, siguro we will just be giving you a copy of the certificate of canvas and proclamation when we will be able to generate the reports. So, thank you for your understanding because of some glitches. Salamat po sa inyong lahat on behalf of the MBOC, Mr. Julito Despian, Mr. Dr. Jonathan Sagi, Madam Norse, Ram Rakamen, Goldman C, the staff, and the teachers, and everybody who helped in the achievement of an honest, orderly, peaceful, first ever automated elections. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. We hope to serve you better, and the next elections, we hope to have a better automated elections. Salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you.